Could you justify a choice you never made? Discover the phenomenon of choice blindness and how it affects our perception of decisions. In a study by Johansson and Lars, more than 2/3 of the participants did not detect the change of photography, but they verbalized justifications for elections they did not make. The design of the experiment is simple but misleading. 2 photographs are presented, and after choosing, the experimenter changes the images with skill. The conversation flows without frictions, as if the choice were real. The fascinating thing is that the participants believe in the story they build about their decision. They are not aware of the exchange of photos, and their narrative seems truthful, which raises questions about our perception of the choice. Nick Chater, professor of behavioral sciences, uses this experiment to argue that the mind does not store beliefs, but rather manufactures them at the time you are asked. Neuroscientist Michael Gazzaniga documented a similar phenomenon in patients with divided brain. The left hemisphere, without complete information, generates plausible explanations for actions that did not originate. This mechanism, called the interpreter, shows that human memory reconstructs events instead of reproducing them. Each reconstruction incorporates the information available in the present, not just in the past. The coincidence between Gazzaniga's interpreter and Johansson's and Hall's choice blindness reinforces the idea that the brain does not archive decisions, but creates coherent justifications for actions already carried out. Chater goes further by stating that there is nothing to introspect. Introspection is not a process of recovery, but of creation, where every justification contributes to the construction of our identity. This approach has implications in fields such as psychology and marketing, where participants are assumed to have reliable access to their internal states. Experiments suggest that this access is limited. The question remains open. Under what conditions is access to our internal states more reliable? This debate keeps science active and invites us to explore more about the nature of our decisions.